Welcome back to another explainer. Today we're diving into something that is honestly just totally mind-blowing. We are unpacking the exact concept and workflow of using a multi-tool AI pipeline to build high-end, fully animated cinematic websites. You know those incredibly fluid, interactive product sites that look like they cost an absolute fortune? Well, if you've ever thought those were completely out of your reach, you're going to want to pay super close attention to this. Because here is the big million-dollar question. How do you build a $10,000 website for absolutely free? Historically, creating a luxury web design, the kind with dynamic scrolling, complex animations, and those perfectly timed visual transitions, that required a massive budget. You needed a creative director, a whole team of specialized coders, and just months of back and forth. It was this incredibly complex, expensive process locked securely behind the doors of premium web agencies. But today, the game has completely changed.
Okay, let's dive into this. The traditional model is, well, it's heavy, it's expensive, it's super time-consuming, and by design, it inherently requires a large team. But the AI pipeline, it is remarkably fast. The cost is basically zero, and most importantly, it empowers a solo creator, just one person, to act as an entire web development agency. By simply orchestrating a few highly accessible AI tools, you can design, generate assets, write complex code, and deploy a premium site entirely on your own. It's wild.
To actually build our stunning watch website, we'll follow a sort of factory assembly roadmap today. We'll start with the $10,000 illusion, then generating a master blueprint, crafting high-end visuals, coding with Claude AI, launching the site, and finally, exploring the broader AI web revolution.
So step 1. The $10,000 website illusion, unveiling the luxury mechanical watch site.
And that leads right into section 2, generating the master blueprint, where we use ChatGPT as our architect.
The final product we're analyzing today is a genuinely jaw-dropping luxury mechanical watch website. Picture this. Floating right there in the center of the page are the completely unfixed individual gears of a mechanical watch. And as you scroll down, those gears dynamically assemble into this sophisticated interactive experience. So how in the world does one person build that without coding from scratch? Well, it starts by acting as the chief architect using a mega prompt. This single prompt details our brand, our black and antique gold color palette, and our whole cinematic style. As the AI itself will tell you, if you provide the visual story, it plans the entire technical architecture before a single line of code is even written. It basically acts as your project manager, laying out the foundations so flawlessly that the rest of the pipeline is essentially just following a recipe.
It's amazing when you see just how staggering the depth of this ChatGPT blueprint actually is. I mean, it doesn't just toss out vague ideas. It outlines the visual mode and story scene by scene. It gives you the exact color palette. It dictates a strict, completely non-negotiable folder structure on your computer, literally breaking down your assets into keyframes, sections, and videos. It even generates the exact text prompts you're going to use to create the images, dictates the precise file names for those images, and then wraps the whole shebang up with a master developer prompt for Claude AI. Everything is meticulously mapped out for you.
Moving on to section 3, crafting high-end visuals. Welcome to the art department.
All right, here is our precise workflow using totally free tools. First up, we take those specific prompts generated by ChatGPT and we feed them into googleflow AI to generate our keyframe and section images. These are those individual watch parts floating in darkness. Next, we use Flow AI's scene feature to generate 4 separate videos that gracefully merge those still images together. After that, we grab those 4 videos, drop them into Canva, line them up on the timeline, and apply Canva's incredibly realistic match and move transition right between each clip. And boom. This creates one seamless continuous animation of the watch coming together.
Now, what's really interesting about this, and absolutely crucial to note, is that as you save these 1080p Canva videos and Flow AI images to your computer, you must use the exact names ChatGPT dictated in that master blueprint. No exceptions. If ChatGPT said, name it watch_parts_darkness, you name it exactly that, and you place it right in the exact keyframes folder it specified. If you ignore this strict naming convention, the final code simply will not work. It's going to break.
Which brings us to section 4, coding with Claude AI. Let's enter the engineering bay.
Let's take a second to casually demystify what Claude Code actually is. It's a local AI coding assistant. So unlike a standard web browser chatbot, this tool is actually downloaded and installed directly onto your computer. When you point it to the local folder that contains your specific images and videos, it can actually look directly at those files, read their names, and then autonomously write, edit, and execute the website's code to weave them all together perfectly. It's a real game changer.
So, the most crucial point of this entire process, the cost. $0. Yep, literally $0. By pointing Claude Code to your local folder, selecting that powerful Sonnet model, and simply pasting in that final master developer prompt that ChatGPT generated back in phase 1, Claude codes this entire premium complex website right from scratch. It builds the structure, it writes the CSS, it scripts the animations, all for absolutely nothing.
And the web mechanics Claude automatically programs, they are nothing short of magic. It creates that scroll-triggered watch assembly we talked about earlier. As you keep scrolling, it codes a perfectly smooth visual transition, shifting the lighting from a beautiful morning golden hour to a dark midnight theme. It builds overlapping technical specification sections, detailing the sapphire crystal, the black titanium, and the hand-finished leather. And amazingly, it even programs a complete reverse scroll animation. If a user scrolls back up the page, the gears flawlessly disassemble in reverse. Oh, and yes, for sure, Claude ensures the entire experience is 100% mobile responsive.
All right, Section 5, launching your cinematic site. Getting ready for the Launchpad. The deployment process is rapid and it's incredibly straightforward. Step 1, you secure a web host. In this case, just grabbing an affordable hostinger plan and claiming a free domain name. Step 2, you log right into your hosting dashboard and navigate to the file manager, specifically looking for that public_HTML folder. Step 3, you take the entire completed folder that Claude Code generated on your computer, zip it up, and upload it right to that directory. And finally, Step 4, you right-click, extract the files, and just like that, your cinematic website is live for the entire world to see.
And finally, Section 6, the AI web revolution and how we are democratizing web design.
Just think about what we've accomplished here without writing a single line of code ourselves. We started with a simple idea, we generated a comprehensive blueprint, created cinematic visuals, coded a highly responsive site, and pushed it live to a global audience. Let's look at this complete tech stack to see how perfectly every accessible tool fits together. ChatGPT is your brain, providing the blueprint and the mega prompt. googleflow AI is your artist, generating those high-end image and video assets. Canva acts as the editor, handling the video stitching and smooth transitions. Claude Code is the engineer, managing the automated local web development. And finally, Hostinger is your distributor, handling the deployment and live hosting. It is just an incredibly efficient, fully automated assembly line.
But honestly, the most powerful takeaway here is that you can completely repurpose this factory. This exact same pipeline isn't just for mechanical watches, it is highly adaptable. You can use this exact workflow to build a cinematic site for luxury yachts, for high-performance supercars, for bespoke perfumes, or literally any custom product niche you can dream up. You just change the initial parameters in the ChatGPT mega prompt, and the AI factory takes care of the rest.
We are looking at a total democratization of high-end web design. The old barriers to entry, huge budgets, deep coding knowledge, massive teams, they have been entirely removed. The blueprint is laid out, and you have all the tools right at your fingertips. So the only question left to ask is, what will you build next? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you on the next one.